Located in just minutes away from restaurants and shopping. Inside this one of the best villages in BF Homes. This house is perfect for those who love to enjoy the best of what BF Homes has to offer. With its incredibly designed interior, consulted one of the famous feng shui masters in the Philippines. With a massive 520 square meters of living space, standing on a 346 square meters lot. Before we enter this home, make sure that you hit on subscribe and notification bell and follow us on our social media pages for more interesting listings. This is Home Place Properties, taking you in this unbelievably gorgeous home.
Hi, my name is Leia, and right now we are standing in front of this beautiful transitional home located in BF Homes, Parañaque. And I can't really wait to show you what we have inside this beautiful home. But before we start this tour, don't forget to subscribe on our channel and tap the bell icon for video updates so that you will be updated for our upcoming videos. So as you can see, we have this beautiful modern gate in its gray color. So let's go inside to your car garage. As we enter the main gate, it will lead us to your 3-car garage. Your frontage is about more or less 14 meters. So this is your 3-car garage. It's very spacious, as you can see. So we have 2 cars parked in here because right now, the owner is still living in this house. You will notice that your way up to the main entrance is elevated. So this is about 1 meter in height. Now we have on the right side is your mini garden, well landscaped. So someone is taking care of these plants over here. And then going towards the main entrance, you will be welcomed by this panel door in solid wood. So, welcome to your beautiful home. Upon entering this beautiful home, you will be welcomed by this foyer in this very high ceiling. Look at those chandelier up there. It's very Nordic, very modern and elegant looking. Now, this is your console table on this side. And over here, let's go towards your living area. Your beautiful living space is more or less 35.2 square meters. So you also have the chance to enjoy this furniture because this house will be yours fully furnished. Now, moving towards the dining areas. So dining area is more or less 20 square meters. You have your 8-seaters dining table with its beautiful blue color chairs, and of course you have this beautiful centerpiece and this table runner. Now on my right you have this beautiful beige couch, and let's not miss this Nordic style chandelier. Over my right you have this huge sliding door. So once you open it, all the fresh air will come inside this beautiful home. Now, let's head towards your main kitchen. On the middle, we have your nook table or breakfast table. And then on my right is your 2-doors refrigerator. So that is included in this house. And you also have your microwave oven and your oven under the microwave. And of course, your pantry, and then your gas stove, and you also have your range hood. And then over here you have your pantry for additional storage, and then under, plenty of storage space, cabinets and drawers for your utensils or your kitchen needs, right? And then on the side is this door is an access to your service kitchen, which unfortunately I cannot show you right now because the dogs, their pets, are staying inside and I don't want to be bitten. So let's move over this side. So additional display storage on this side, and then you will notice this windows that has this view of your swimming pool. Now we're heading towards the second floor of this house, but before I forgot, because you have your powder room downstairs. This is the powder room, and here is the door which has an access to the garage. So that's it. Now heading to the second floor, heading towards the second floor. So you have your beautiful wooden stairs made out of Nara, and this stairs is about 1.2 meters. Now we are on the first landing of the staircase. So you have this door here, which is your first bedroom. Welcome to your first bedroom. Now for the first bedroom, you will see this beautiful wooden planks on the floor. And since this is fully furnished, you'll also get to have all the furniture that we have inside. On my left side, you have this sliding door going to your own balcony for the first bedroom. Next to show you is your built-in closet over here. And on my left is your spacious ensuite toilet and bath. Before I forgot to mention, so this room is about more or less 22 square meters. So you have the size of this room. Now heading towards the second floor. So on the staircase, you will see this window for natural light and ventilation, and another console table which has this beautiful flower display. Now I'm going up on the second floor. And by the way, see those beautiful lights on the staircase. First thing that you will see on the second floor is this beautiful office area. Actually, this is supposed to be a family area on the original plan, but the owner of this house decided to just convert it into the office area, which is very nice. And then over here, you have the view of your main entrance, and you will see these beautiful lights here. Very lovely. Now, heading towards the bedroom number 2. Actually, this is the bedroom number 2, supposed to be. So you will see that the owner also decided to convert it into the family area. So on the original plan, this is supposed to be the bedroom number 2. But of course, since you will be the new owner of this house, you can decide if you want to keep it as it is. Over the left, we have your ensuite toilet and bath with shower enclosure, complete shower fixtures. So there. Now, going down. Next is your third bedroom, which is this door. This room is about 12 square meters. So you'll see this beautiful walls in light pink, very lovely. And then your upholstered bed, carpet, and these chairs. And then over here is your bedroom ensuite toilet and bath. Complete shower fixtures, shower enclosure, your sink, and of course your toilet. Next is your bedroom number 4, which is more or less 15 square meters in color blue. And again, another Nordic style chandelier over here in the middle. And beautiful carpet, beautiful upholstered. And by the way, before I forgot, aircon included. So all the aircon all over the house are included. Very nice, right? So you don't have to install your aircon anymore. Now next, here is your ensuite toilet and bath. Again, shower enclosure, complete shower fixtures, toilet, and your sink. Now, heading towards your master's bedroom. Look at that. Wow. This is my favorite spot in this house. Look at your chandelier, very elegant looking, and your upholstered bed in beige color. Very elegant. And of course, you have this beautiful blackout curtains all over this house. And your balcony, let's not miss that. And then here is your master's en suite toilet and bath. Inside is very spacious. You have your jacuzzi tub in this side, and then toilet, complete shower fixture, shower enclosure, his and her sink, and then your own walk-in closet. Heading towards your pool area, and this is the last part of the house. Look at this beautiful pool area. This pool size is 8 by 4 meters, and then the depth of this pool is 3 feet to 5 feet. So imagine yourself and your family going here on the weekends and diving in this pool after the long week is over. It's very refreshing, right? Now, so let's not miss this beautiful hanging chair here. Very nice. And my right is your spacious lanai area. Very refreshing, and by the way, it's covered as well, so no rain will come into your lanai area.
This stunning fully furnished modern house features 4 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, jacuzzi, swimming pool, and a family area.
That's it for today's tour. I hope you guys love this home as much as we did. And if you'd like to see this lovely home in person, just call or contact the number located on this video's description. And of course, don't forget to subscribe on our channel and tap that bell icon so that you will be updated on our upcoming videos. Once again, my name is Leia, and this is Home Place Properties, a place for new beginnings, turning your dream home into reality.